The future is electric. We're trading gas-guzzling cars for sleek, silent electric vehicles. These modern marvels promise a cleaner, greener future. But there's a challenge. What happens to EV batteries when they reach the end of their life cycle? Their disposal poses significant environmental risks. Traditional battery disposal methods are harmful, leading to soil and water contamination. We need a better solution, one that keeps these valuable materials in circulation. Recycling can help create a more sustainable future. Enter Altilium, a UK-based company at the forefront of EV battery recycling innovation. Altilium has developed a groundbreaking technology that can recover up to 95% of the valuable materials from end-of-life EV batteries. This includes lithium, cobalt, nickel, manganese, and copper, the building blocks for new batteries. Altilium's process is a game changer for the EV industry and the environment. By reclaiming these precious metals, we reduce the need for new mining, conserve natural resources, and minimize the environmental impact of battery production. But Altilium's commitment to sustainability goes beyond just recycling. They're also working to develop a closed-loop system for battery production. This means that the recycled materials they recover will be used to manufacture new batteries, creating a truly circular economy. Imagine a battery at the end of its life in an electric vehicle. It's no longer able to power the car, and you might think its journey ends here. Instead of ending up in a landfill, it's sent to Altilium's state-of-the-art recycling facility, where its components can be given a new purpose. Here's where the magic happens. The process begins with the battery being carefully disassembled by skilled technicians. First, the battery is carefully disassembled and shredded into small pieces, ensuring that every part is utilized. Don't worry, this is done in a safe and controlled environment to prevent any leaks or hazards. Safety is our top priority. Next, these shredded pieces undergo a series of hydrometallurgical processes, which are both efficient and environmentally friendly. This involves using special solutions to dissolve the metals and separate them from other materials, ensuring maximum recovery. It's like a giant chemistry experiment, but with planet-saving results. The extracted metals are then purified to a high standard. Once the metals are extracted, they are purified and transformed into battery-grade materials, ready for a new life. These materials are then ready to be used in the production of brand new batteries, contributing to a sustainable future, giving them a second life and powering the EVs of tomorrow. This is how we turn scrap into something valuable once again. The demand for electric vehicles is growing at an unprecedented rate. This is fantastic news for the environment, but it also presents a challenge. The key minerals used in EV batteries, such as lithium, cobalt, and nickel, are not evenly distributed across the globe. Some countries have vast reserves of these minerals, while others have very little. This uneven distribution can lead to geopolitical tensions and supply chain vulnerabilities. It also raises concerns about responsible sourcing and human rights practices in mining operations. By investing in battery recycling technologies like Altilium's, we can reduce our reliance on new mining and create a more sustainable and secure supply chain for the EV industry. Section 5. Beyond Altilium, a global recycling effort. Altilium is undoubtedly a pioneer in the field of EV battery recycling. Still, they are not alone in this endeavor. Around the world, numerous companies and research institutions are developing innovative solutions to tackle this global challenge. For instance, Redwood Materials, a US-based company, is building a circular supply chain for electric vehicles and renewable energy. They collect and recycle end-of-life batteries, e-waste, and gigafactory scrap to recover valuable metals and manufacture anode and cathode materials. Similarly, Li-Cycle, a Canadian company, is focused on developing and deploying a sustainable, closed-loop lithium-ion battery recycling process. They use a unique hydrometallurgical approach to recover up to 95% of the critical materials from spent lithium-ion batteries. Section 6. The economic powerhouse of battery recycling. The transition to a sustainable future is not just an environmental imperative, it's an economic opportunity. Battery recycling is poised to become a multi-billion-dollar industry, creating jobs and boosting economies worldwide. By establishing domestic battery recycling facilities, countries can secure their supply chains, reduce reliance on foreign imports, and create new manufacturing jobs. This localized approach to battery production and recycling can lead to greater economic resilience and competitiveness. Moreover, the recovered materials from recycled batteries can be sold back into the supply chain, generating revenue and reducing the overall cost of battery production. This makes electric vehicles more affordable and accessible to a wider range of consumers. Section 7. Policy and Innovation, Paving the Way for a Circular Economy. To fully realize the potential of battery recycling, we need supportive policies and continued innovation. Governments can play a crucial role by incentivizing battery recycling, establishing collection networks for end-of-life batteries, and supporting research and development in this field. For example, the European Union has implemented regulations that require car manufacturers to take back and recycle a certain percentage of their batteries. This has created a strong market for battery recycling in Europe and spurred innovation in the industry. Furthermore, governments can foster collaboration between industry stakeholders, research institutions, and nonprofit organizations to accelerate the development and deployment of sustainable battery recycling technologies. Section 8. A battery-powered future built on sustainability. As we transition to a cleaner and more sustainable energy future, electric vehicles will play a pivotal role. These vehicles, powered by advanced battery technologies, are set to reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and significantly cut down greenhouse gas emissions. But to truly reap the environmental and economic benefits of this electric revolution, we need to close the loop on battery production. This means focusing on the entire life cycle of batteries, from production to disposal, and ensuring that they are recycled efficiently. Altilium and other companies at the forefront of battery recycling are paving the way for a circular economy, where valuable resources are kept in use for as long as possible. These efforts not only reduce waste, but also minimize the need for new raw materials. By embracing these innovative technologies, supporting responsible sourcing practices, and implementing supportive policies, we can ensure that our battery-powered future is truly sustainable. Governments, industries, and individuals all have a role to play in this transition. The journey towards a sustainable future requires collective action and a commitment to innovation. Communities around the world are coming together to support renewable energy projects and sustainable practices. By working together, we can build a world where electric mobility is not only clean and efficient, but also powered by a circular economy that values resource conservation and environmental stewardship. This collaborative effort will ensure a healthier planet for future generations. Thanks for your time. Feel free to comment below and give your feedback. Please like and subscribe for more information in general. Goodbye.